the Philippines, and the UK. So English is the common ground. Some days I feel confident, like my thoughts just flow in English without me translating them first. Other days I still stumble over simple words. But I've accepted that it's all part of the journey. In my free time, I'm a huge fan of science fiction. I'm currently reading Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir, and I try to read it out loud for a few pages every night. That's actually one of the best pronunciation exercises I found. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy talking to myself about space and aliens, but I don't mind. I also enjoy discovering quiet coffee shops around Dubai. The kind where you can sit for hours with a laptop and nobody hurries you. I even started keeping a small journal in English, where I write about my day. I don't worry too much about grammar mistakes. The point is to get comfortable expressing myself without the pressure of a teacher looking over my shoulder. On weekends, I often meet up with a group of international friends I met through a language exchange app. We go for walks along the marina or grab dinner, and the rule is that we only speak English. We come from completely different countries, so English is our only shared language. We laugh a lot because we all make mistakes, but that's what makes it fun. I used to be shy about my accent, but now I realize that my accent is just part of who I am. What really matters is that I can connect with people.